want to say hi to my vlog?
Yeah, hi vlog.
What else?
This is Liam's dad.
That's true. Good morning. I don't think I actually officially said good morning to you guys, but it is like 11:30 right now, and I just got off the phone with my parents. It was great to catch up with them a little bit. So we were just discussing some things about me coming back home for a little bit. So my sister Hannah is actually getting married on May 30th, and like they're still having the wedding, but they're just having like immediate family. I'm just like a little bit weary about like getting on a plane at this time, as I'm sure you guys all understand, but I definitely want to be there for my sister's wedding. It should be fine, and I'm just gonna like get on the airplane, make sure I sanitize everything, and then somebody will pick me up from the airport and just quarantine at my parents' house for 2 weeks. But yeah, so that's what we were talking about. So also I filmed this morning about my hair, which you guys will see in a main channel video. Basically, I tried to do these like no heat waves, and literally like it all fell out. So that was kind of sad because the process to get it like that was a little bit uncomfortable, and you guys will see when I post that video what I'm talking about. Other than that, like, I mean, my hair still looks like it's voluminous, but it's just not wavy, so that's kind of unfortunate. So today is actually an exciting day because I'm finally going to be organizing my pantry, which I have put this off for so long. It's actually not funny, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be great. I'm super excited to have a full pantry that I can actually like find stuff in, because I always forget what I have, because I'll show you guys the setup when I go in there. Cheers to a clean pantry, and it's gonna be good. So this is the pantry that I am going to be filling up. Right now it's currently empty. If you guys saw my living room makeover, you guys saw that I actually made this. So I found it off of Facebook Marketplace, and then I added this rattan little fabric to it and added some handles. And then also it didn't come with any shelves except for this one that's like already in here. So I had to go to Home Depot and get more cut. So I cut 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so everything that I'm going to be filling up is stuff that's in here. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is just take all the stuff out and then see what I have, organize it a bit, and then put it all in there. I do not know how long these have been in here for, but these are going in the garbage. Do you know how long we've had these? I don't even know. Long. I don't even recognize these.
Just add them to this bowl.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So these goldfish are old. How long do almonds last for? All right, first shelf done. Now moving on to the second one. I got this Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, and it's literally the worst packaging you could ever imagine. This whole thing consists of 4 of them. They can all fit right on this side. So this whole entire side is not being used. Like, this is really bad packaging. So I will not be repurchasing because I just can't do that. I think it's just a waste. These are really old. Basically, I just buy a bunch of chips and then I forget that they're back here, and then I don't eat them. Okay, these rice cakes are probably stale as a... I've literally had these forever. I'm just gonna like do a crunch and see how stale it is. This is so stale. Okay, I gotta do it one more time. I can't even like bite into it. So these guys are going in the trash. Always gotta have some chicken broth on stock. Hot on stock, chicken stock. It's funny. Oh my gosh, I've had these since I went to Hawaii and I never opened them. They expired in March. We'll try those later. Okay, this is actually not as much stuff as I was thinking it would be, which is awesome. Actually, is that bad, or is that, I don't know. It's just, it is what it is. Have you guys seen that TikTok?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I'm just going to start with the canned items, start placing it in the pantry. got some Banza noodles. These are my favorite noodles because they're made with chickpeas. Honestly, you can't tell the difference between this and regular pasta, and this is just like so much better for you. This is from Trader Joe's. Honestly, guys, I'm just saying, try this out. Please let me know your thoughts. It's the best tasting pasta sauce I've ever had. And that's a big statement, but it's so good. It has like a little bit of spice to it, but not much. So that concludes the segment of this. So this is granola. We'll put that granola in there. That one's mine. This one is Madeline's. Or is this one mine? This is either Madeline's or mine that's really old. I guess we could put the lentils in here as well. Maybe I'll do the chips in this one, like chips and granola. These are probably stale too. Let's do a stale check really quick. Actually, these are not as stale as I thought they would be. The reason these aren't even eaten at all, I got unsalted. Like, why do they even make this? Is my question. I'm actually curious, do you guys buy unsalted pretzels? Comment below. I would love to see you and ask you more questions about that. Why do I have this? Where is this from? Oh. Also, I got these from Hawaii and I just never ate them. I went a little bit ham when I was in Hawaii. I was like, I'm never gonna be back here. I need to buy everything. So I bought a ton of these macadamia nuts and they're still like here, except for this one, but I'm pretty sure Madeline just eats them all, like, but it's fine because I actually don't care. I'm pretty sure she just left an empty container, so we'll have to have a roommate meeting later about this because this is unacceptable. This one probably went bad. No, yes, no. These are good still. But like, why did I get dry roasted macadamia nuts with sea salt? Like, that doesn't even sound good. This one is Maui onion and garlic macadamia. Okay, I actually have to do a taste test. I don't even want this. Why am I? Yeah, not a fan. I seem to do this thing where I just buy almonds, like, and then just not eat them. How long do almonds last? Sorry, one more stale check. Oh, gotta get closer for this one. Can you guys hear how stale this is? Well, that's enough of that. Honestly, we don't have that much stuff, so it's not filling up everything, but that's okay because we can always, you know, there's room to grow right here. And what I think I'm also going to do is we have all of our tea right here, but it's kind of like all jumbled. So I think I'm gonna spread it all out and put it on like that level right here. I have all the teas down there, and then we also have this extra space down here. So maybe we'll figure something out with that one. And okay, so this guy is all the way cleared out, so we can, honestly, maybe we can put some of our pots and stuff right there. That might be nice. I also have to like clean it out. Next, we're gonna be working on this section. This is our baking section, basically. And I'm gonna just start by taking everything out and seeing what we have. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Guys, we have cookie butter. That made my day. Oh shoot. So I went in my room and I found this little container, and what I'm gonna put in here is just my chocolate chips and some of the sugars that we have, just to like keep the bags, you know, in place. Okay, so this is what this cabinet is looking like. It's honestly like, it looks really cluttered, but everything does have a place, and like this is kind of how we've had it set up and it's been working. But I did find these two containers. So this container has, let me show you. So it has like different powders. So maca. We got some, this powder, flaxseed, cacao powder, more cacao powder, and some nuts. And in here I have some sugar and some chocolate chips and stuff. So that kind of conceals these bags pretty well. So that's in there. And then this is like our essential like baking little thing. So whenever we're baking stuff, we can just grab this, and it has like all like the stuff that you usually need for baking. This is basically complete. So I'm going to close this guy. So I think I'm gonna move the Tupperware down here since this is not being utilized right now. And I'm just gonna store them right there. You ready for the reveal, Mads? Ready? Here, you stand right here.
In this?
Sorry. What do you guys think of her shirt? Is it?
Okay. So I thrifted this shirt when I was like in high school, and all my friends hate it, and I think it's funny. I've never had a friend or anyone that I know say, "Oh, cool shirt."
I told her she should just cut out this part and put it on the back of jeans. 1, 2, 3.
We have no food.
Cabinets. That's what I said.
Where did it all go?
I was like,
where did our food go?
I put the teas down there.
Where's all of our food?
This is it. So a lot of things are stuck in here. I did like
That was
some
every
rice and quinoa, well not quinoa, lentils, chips and popcorn, random stuff up there. All right, door number 2. Let's head this way. 1, 2. Oh shoot. 3. Looks about the same, right? So I just added those
These
two
are not your
things.
best work.
I know it's kind of sloppy, but I was just working with what we had. So we have these 2 things. It's to hold all of the bags, because those are what really makes it crazy.
Oh.
But like it's organized chaos, because like this is like your baking stuff, bags.
Why is the baking soda up there?
Those are extras.
Oh.
Moving on.
Wow.
Tupperware and bowls.
Satisfying.
I know, right? So then I took some of the bowls from that were over here. So then this is a little bit more spread out.
Amazing.
Yeah. You like it?
I love it. It's all I wanted.
Perfect. Me too. Feels so much better. Now that that is all done, I am going to actually probably just start editing a vlog because I'm so behind on editing. This quarantine is honestly just has been not great for my productivity. You'd think I would because there's so much time, but like, no, that's not the case. So I'm going to go and work on a vlog, and I will talk to you guys later and see what I get up to. Hey guys, just checking in real quick. I just wanted to show you guys the cutest text I've ever gotten. My little cousin Tessa, you guys maybe have seen her in some of my videos. She is an angel. She like never texts me because I don't really understand if she has a phone or not, but anyways, she just texted me, "Hi Leah, it is Tessa. I wanted to say good night." So yeah, I just had to share that because that is so precious. So yeah, I've just been editing my video. So I'm also like, in this video, I'm a little bit psychotic, but like, that's just because I'm so excited about the pantry situation. Like, I can't even tell you, this is the highlight of my week. It doesn't take much to wow me these days. It is like 6 p.m. and Madeline and I are going to be making a salmon salad. So I will show you guys that when that is complete, but I'm going to keep working on this video. So I forgot to end off this vlog, so I'm going to do that right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to follow me on Insta, you know, there's not much going on over there these days, but I would still really appreciate it if you guys went over there, gave it a follow. That would be great. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Miss that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me